There are those people who go and cut a slice and go and eat, and after which they throw the crumbs to the young people in terms of giving them wheelbarrows. Wheelbarrownomics, as they call it. It's not an answer to our problem in this region. And secondly, you all know how we have been the second liberation, how long it has taken, the toll it has taken on our people, how many lives have been lost in our throughout this country. The very many people have suffered as a result of this. That's why we are in the process of the third liberation, and that we brought in the DBI as part of the third liberation. That is going to come up with a way forward how we move as a country. People are talking about, oh, there's jobs for the people. I'm saying let them wait and see once it is launched. It's not just about creating jobs for 5 people. It's going to be a solution to a number of issues which are contentious right now. But we're going to bring more resources down to the counties.